so those are the ingredients to make arroz con salchicha. It's Vienna sausage rice. It's a dish that it's very Cuban. So first we're gonna just add a little bit of the vegetable oil in a pan. Okay, that should be good. Now we're gonna add 2 small onions, half a red pepper, and half a green pepper. Say maybe like a quarter of a green pepper, a quarter of a red pepper, and 1 small onion. I can always save the rest for another meal. Okay, now we're gonna add the 3 cloves of garlic. 3 cloves of garlic that we are gonna add, the 3 garlic. And lower the heat halfway. Okay, we're gonna add some cumin. This is a very important ingredient in this arroz con salchicha, this Vienna sausage rice, Cuban style. It's very important condiment. Okay, so I use 1 large can of Vienna sausage, 1 large can and 1 small can. Okay, and I cut them in 3. They don't have to be precise, exact. So I had lowered the heat. Okay, now we're gonna saute the sausages. And we're gonna add a little bit of the dry wine, Vino Seco golden cooking wine. Good. We're also gonna add 2 of these little sazon Goya. It comes with culantro and achiote. 2 of them. It gives the flavor and it also gives color to the rice. This pot is called caldero and it's very Cuban. We cook almost everything in a caldero. It's such a tradition. Okay, these are chorizos. It's their Goya chorizo, but it doesn't matter which brand, as long as they are chorizo. I'm gonna put only 1, just 1 of them. I cut the ends off, and I also peel them. Some people eat it with this thing on, but I peel them. I don't like to eat that skin. I try to cut it small. Okay, I turned off the heat. I turned it off, and I'm going to keep it off for a little bit because right now I'm going to wash the rice so then we can put it in here. Okay. Okay, I already washed the rice and now I'm gonna put it in here. I put 2 cups of the jasmine rice. Okay, and now let's turn this back on. I'm gonna put it on high for a little bit, and then we're gonna add the salt. The salt. I don't like to put too much salt. Okay, I think that's it. If we need more later, we'll add more later. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Two cups of water and half more. So it's 2.5 cups of water for the 2 cups of rice. Okay, so now we're gonna just wait till it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, I'll lower the heat to halfway. Okay, so this is it. I just turned off the heat. It took like about from 7 to 10 minutes to cook. It looks scrumptious. Now we're gonna add the peas. We're gonna add the sweet peas. I put like three-fourths of a small can. It gives it some color. It is absolutely delicious. The Vienna sausage gives it a good taste, but the chorizo gives it an even better taste. And the cumin. So that is it. One more thing I forgot. Hold on. The fancy pimentos. Fancy pimentos. And also gonna add a little bit of the water that they're packed in there. It gives it a good flavor. So just slice it. That is it. We are done here. That is my arroz con salchicha, my Vienna sausage and rice. Hope you liked it, and thank you for watching. Bye.